Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is maximum product of splitted binary tree. Given the root of binary tree, split the binary tree into two subtrees by removing one edge such that the product of sums of the is maximized, and return the maximum product of the sums of the two subtrees. And answer may be too large, return the modulo. Okay, we have to take the mod, and that you need to maximize the answer before taking the mod, not after taking it. Okay, now okay, that means we have to maximize the answer and then take the mod of that answer and return. So if you see this example, this is a binary tree, and if we split into two parts, this is one subtree and this is second subtree, and the sum is here 11, and sum of this subtree is 10. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. 4 plus 2 plus 5 is 11, and we have to return the multiplication, so it is 110. So what are the different ways to split this subtrees? Is one is you can split into these two part, that is 3 1 2 5 4, and 6 is different. So this is one subtree, this is another is if you split this way, in this way, this is one subtree 1 2 4 5, and 3 6 is another subtree. And if you split this way, this is the given in this diagram. If you split 4, this will be 1 and this will be 1. So in this way we have to calculate the sum of these two, as we have to divide this tree into only two subtrees. So we have to find the sum of these two subtrees and multiply and maximize. Okay, so what we can do is, let's find the sum of total all the elements in the tree. Then if we get the sum of one subtree, automatically we will be able to find the sum of other subtree. So if we in this example, if you see what is the total sum is 21. Okay, if you add everything you will get 21. And if I cut this edge, if I have sum of this subtree, I can find the remaining sum. Just what I have to do, I have to do total minus this will be the sum of another subtree. We don't need to find again. Okay, so every time for each subtree we will be finding that, and we can multiply and get the maximum. So now let's start coding. We will be using a simple tree traversal. You can use any tree traversal. We will be using the post order. So first I will write a method to find a total sum. Okay, now I will take one, as our answer can be large, so we will be using long, and then we will convert that to int later while returning. So I'll take int long total sum. Okay, initially it will be 0. I'll take long answer. As we have to maximize, I will take initially as minimum value. And we want that mod. What is our mod value? Is 10 raised to 9 plus 7. That is 6 and 8. Yeah, or you can do one E7 as well. Now, here we will write a method public. It will return what? It will return long. It will return our total answer basically. So find sum. Okay, now here we will pass this tree node, that is root, and that's it. Here what we will do, if my root is not equal to null, then only we will do this, else we will return 0 for sum. Okay, if it is coming this after 4, if it is going after 4, it will return 0, and then it will calculate from this. Okay, now we'll take long left sum. Okay, from where? From its left node. Find sum root dot left. Okay, now long right sum is equal to find sum root dot right. Then from left we'll get left, from right we'll get right, and here we will return what? We will return left sum plus right sum plus the current value, root dot value. Now for root node, what will happen for root node? Left sum, if left sum and right sum will be 0, as this will be null, and it will return just the root value. Okay, so in this way it will return 4, it will return 5, and for 2 at 2 what we will do, we will add this 4 plus 5 plus 2, that is what? 11. It will return 11 here, from here it will return 9, and 9 plus 11 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. So total sum we will get 21 using this. Okay, now here if we find long, not long, we don't need long, we can do total sum. Total sum is equal to find sum, and here we will pass root. Now next thing is, now we have the total sum, we will find the sum of subtree. As just now I explained, from this node we will get 4 plus 5 and 2. So at this level, that means this is what? This is the sum till what? Till this root. Okay, that means this is the sum of that subtree from root, you can say this. So if we are getting this sum, we will be, we can find the other sum using the total sum and maximize the value. So I will use the same method, okay, to do this. And here what we will do, here instead of returning, we have to return, but instead of returning I'll take one variable int, not int, long subtree sum is equal to, we will get this. And here what we will do is, not if, we will maximize our sum. What is our answer? Answer is equal to mat dot max answer comma what? Total sum, I think sum total or total sum, okay, total sum minus my subtree sum into subtree sum. That's it. Okay, and here we will return this subtree sum. If you want, you can combine these two methods together, and you can pass on boolean value, and if you want to calculate that, you can add this in if condition as well. Now here what I will do, find, okay, I will write find answer. Okay, so find answer, here we will pass that root, we have the total sum it is using, and at then we will return what? We will return our answer. But what we want to do is, we want to model it. Okay, we will do the mod this, and as it is in int, long, so we have to convert this to int and then return. Now let's run this. Okay, we are getting wrong answer, let's check. Here instead we use 8 zeros, 7 zeros, we have to use 8, 10 raised to 9, right? Plus 7, yes, accepted. Let's submit this solution. Yes, you can see solution is accepted. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.